Hello class. Today we'll be learning about measurement. Does anyone know what these items are? Take a moment to try to figure it out. For those of you who knew what they were, great job. For those of you who did not, it's okay. I will be teaching you what they are. First, we have a ruler. Next, a yardstick. We also have a meter stick and measuring tape. First up is the ruler. It is used to measure things in inches. Here's a picture of a standard ruler. Standard rulers go up by only 12 inches. Each number on the ruler represents the inches. Next, we have a yardstick. 1 yardstick in length is equal to 1 yard. 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. That's right. 1 yardstick is equal to 3 rulers. Just like with the ruler, each number on the yardstick represents the inches. Third is the meter stick. The meter stick is different than the ruler and yardstick. Does anyone know why? Try and take a moment to think about it. Okay, the reason a meter stick is different than a ruler and yardstick is because it measures things in centimeters and not inches. In 1 meter stick, there are 100 centimeters. The numbers that you see on the meter stick represents the centimeters. Lastly, we have the measuring tape. The measuring tape is different than the others because it is not a stick, it is a retractable tape. It can go very far to measure things that are bigger in size. Just like the ruler and yardstick, the measuring tape measures things in inches. Each number up to 12 represents the inches. Once we get past 12, there will be 2 numbers on the tape, one for the inches and one for feet. Here, we have a few examples of what each form of measurement can be used for. With the ruler, we measure smaller things, like your textbook or your pencil. With the yardstick, we measure things that are bigger than a ruler, so that we don't need multiple rulers. We can use 1 yardstick instead. Remember guys, 1 yardstick is equal to 3 rulers. Example of what we can use a yardstick to measure is the length of your arm and the height of your desk. The same thing goes for a meter stick. We use a meter stick instead of a yardstick or ruler because we would need multiple of them. It would be a lot easier to measure the length of my desk and the height of a file cabinet with a meter stick than the 2 previous forms of measurement. Measuring tape is used when none of the previous 3 can be used. For example, the length of our whiteboard and the height of our door should be measured with measuring tape. Because the tape is retractable, it can go as far as it needs to. Rulers, yardsticks, and meter sticks cannot do that. We would need multiple of each to get the measurement of our whiteboard or the height of our door. Now, let us review what we learned today. We learned each measurement of a ruler, yardstick, meter stick, and measuring tape. We also learned that we can use each form of measurement for. A ruler is used to measure small things. A yardstick is used to measure things that a ruler can't. A meter stick is used for items that cannot be measured by neither a ruler nor yardstick. Measuring tape is used for things that cannot be measured by any previous forms. We will be having an assignment that requires knowledge of these tools. Be sure to understand the concepts of them. See you in class.